في التحضير للكاك 48.
and for the preparation of the CAC 48.
عقدت اللجنة اجتماعها من
The
25
committee convened the meeting on 25th of February
في مكسيكو سيتي برئاسة المكسيك
in
وبحضور
Mexico
27 دولة
with the
عضو
presence of 27 member countries and observers from FAO and WHO.
كما كلفت هذه اللجنة بتطوير المواصفات
And these
الخاصة
committees will develop of the standards for fresh dates and fresh curry leaves and launch a new work on fresh turmeric and fresh broccoli. The outcomes, several texts now ready for CAC 48 adoption as of November 2025 in Rome. In regard to the Arab engagement, strong regional presence and leadership was available on fresh dates and coordinated all the interventions and input through the Arab Codex initiative. Next meeting will be confirmed later. In regard to the standards and decisions to be finally adopted by the CAC 48, in regard to fresh dates, it is for adoption finalized standard. In regard to fresh curry leaves, it is on the step 5.8. It is still pending the endorsement of CCFA and CCFL. In regard to the alignment work, in regard to avocado and asparagus, the layouts were editorially revised to align with Codex format consistency in regard to the titles, definitions, and tolerances. No technical change to limits or classifications, and this work improves. New works were adopted at step 2 for fresh turmeric by the command of Fiji and broccoli by Mexico. In regard to priorities and regional participations, in regard to the fresh dates, it is a flagship Arab commodity, and the standard reflects regional production and trade in order to boost fair trade and trust of consumers. The KSA coordinated in the sharing, and Tunisia and Morocco provided several inputs into this regard, and the moisture content in regard to Arab coordination. It was reinforced through CCNE and the Arab Codex initiative to ensure unified regional positions. In regard to next opportunities, nominating experts to EWGs on FFV layout for the standards of fresh fruits and vegetables, in addition to turmeric and broccoli. Also promoting regional data collection for product quality and inspection standards. In regard to the preparation for CAC, currently there is a standard for fresh curry leaves. As we mentioned previously, it is pending the endorsement of CCFA and CCFL. In regard to ongoing work, the EWG re-established for FFV layout for the harmonization of the fresh fruits and vegetables, and any substantive changes deferred to future sessions. And the work will continue in regard to alignment of existing FFV standards for clarity and consistency. In regard to strategic outlook, the future CCFFV sessions may adopt virtual or correspondences-based formats to enhance inclusivity, pre-CAC actions, coordination, and confirmation of spokespersons for FFV items. The post-CAC preparations support national implementation of the fresh dates standard and contribute regional data to ongoing EWGs on new work for developing standard for fresh turmeric and fresh broccoli.